Hey guys, let's quickly get on this beautiful glamorous pink makeup look. So if you guys are interested, then please keep on watching. I've already prepped and primed my face, so we'll directly start off with our base makeup. Here I'm using a BB cream as my base and not using foundation. Let's do a simple base. Next I'm going to use this concealer, applying it on the inner corner of my eyes and outer corner of my under eye as well as on my eyelid. This will help in giving that eyeshadow a good base. I'm going to quickly blend all of that concealer well with a small fluffy brush, and we are going to set all that concealer and the rest of our face with a compact powder. Here I'm using this angled fluffy puff to set my under eyes well. Next we are using this Contour to Force palette from Sugar Cosmetics to contour, blush and highlight. For contouring I'm going to use a fluffy angled brush. I'm contouring my cheekbones, my jawline, my forehead as well as my nose. And to contour my nose I'm going to be pinching this brush in this way so it gives a sharp contoured effect. Next, to apply my blush, I'm going to use this fluffy blending brush to apply the blush on the apples of my cheeks. And for highlight I'm going to use a small fan brush and apply it on the high points of my cheeks, my brow bone, my tip of the nose, my bridge of the nose as well as the cupid's bow. We are done with the base. Let's quickly move on to the eye makeup. I've done my brows already and I'm starting off with the eyeshadow. I'm using these two shades here as my transition shades. I'm using very neutral shades as transition shade. Next I'm using the mixture of these two pink shades on the crease as well as on the outer corner of my eyelid. Next I'm quickly blending all of the eyeshadows well, and I'm using these two shades of pink pressed glitter here on the inner corner of my eyelid. And I'm going to be first using the dark pink shade, and next we're going to blend in the light pink shade on the center of our eyelid. And I'm going to quickly do a winged liner here and add some falsies as well. We're going to quickly blend in that falsies with mascara, and don't forget to apply mascara on your lower lash line. And finishing off the look with a pink lipstick, and that is it. We are ready. Added some accessories. That is it, isn't it? So simple. So if you guys liked it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.